Welcome. Here's a tray that I made recently, and in this video I'm going to make a new one without all the silly mistakes that I made on this one. Because I'm new to the table saw, I keep forgetting to lock the fence in, so when I was cutting these grooves the fence kept moving, so I cut them a bit high, and I did cut 3 before I noticed, but there you go. I got inspired by this tray that I saw online with these slanty edges. I was liking this slantiness, so I thought I'd challenge myself to see if I can work out how to cut these angles, the 2 angles going on at the same time, see if I could work it out by myself without looking it up online or watching any videos on it. Here's me trying to work it out. I haven't got a clue. So I'm going to cut some test pieces. Here's my mitre gauge, 60 quid off Temu. Does the job. I'm going to go for 20 degrees. See what happens. I couldn't figure out how to do all the ends slanty, so I'm just going to do the 2 ends. Then I'll sand that protrudy bit down flush at the end. Let's do it! I'm definitely supposed to be cutting at 20 degrees here. There we go. Looking good. On the original, the base fits into grooves like this. And because of my slanty edges, I don't know how to cut the grooves in line with each other. So I'm gonna go for a rebate on the bottom. Then have the base slide under the end, if you know what I mean. Because I don't know what I mean. Let's just get on with it. too long. It's not the best in the world. These lines are marked too high to start off with. I think in my next video I'll do a bit more chiseling. See if I can do a better job than this, because this is not the best. Poopy colour gone. Time for the glue up. Because my frame clamp doesn't work with the slanty edges, I'm going to try a super glue with the wood glue. I think you're best using an accelerant with the super glue, because I can only hold one end at a time. The first time I glued it up, one side didn't glue properly, so I had to go back to it. But it worked out in the end. This base is holding nothing, so I'm going to put these support feet on the bottom. Give some strength to the miters as well.